guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking an American padlock. Series number is 1105. It's a 6 pin. I'll show you the keys working in a minute or two. Reason for this video is one of our members on UK Lock Sports was having a bit of trouble with, I think, this particular lock. His name is Saint Latic on our forum, so I hope this helps you a little bit, buddy. Show the working keys. He put a post on literally saying he got one given and could not sort of pick the lock open, so we were sort of throwing ideas towards him. And it's super light tension with sort of all your American locks. Basically, once you're using sort of your super light tension, you're unsure whether the lock has sort of been picked. So every now and again you want to bounce your tension wrench. What tends to happen, once you've got your super light tension on, like Mark D says on the forum, is just look for your sort of binding pins, just tackle those first with gentle sort of pressure. And I found that the plug then moves over just a little bit, and it's a case then of just nipping through, sort of tickling over the pins till the lock opens. Tension wrench I'm going to use is a homebrew, made obviously out of a insert from a wiper blade, but as you can see, hopefully, sort of just on the tip, I've actually filed it down either side, so it's like a T-shape on the end, and it seems to work wonders with American locks. So let's have a go at getting this open. As you can see, it's locked up. Like I say, what you want to be doing is literally turn that plug a tad, literally till it sort of stops, and that is all the tension you need. Literally rest your finger on there and go in and sort of tackle the binding pins. So I'll start at the back. Just gently touching over those pins. Moved a tad there. It's picked. Like I say, that might have been picked a minute or so ago. But that's the 1105 American padlock, the single pin picks. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, please keep it legal.